Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning.
Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Bliss. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick easy afro bun on 4B or 4C natural hair. I'm going to first use this coconut oil to apply to my scalp, and then I massage it a little bit. Is usually how I stretch my hair when I've freshly washed it. All I do is wash it, put in a leave-in conditioner. After that I put it in braids, which takes about, it depends on the days of how long I want it to be in my braids. So I'm going to first take down these braids, and after that I'm going to put this braid, the parts I've taken down from the braids, into a puff. After that I'm going to comb each part. Use a wide tooth comb, like you can see. I'm going to comb each section on its own. That's the best way you avoid the detangles of your hair, hairs breaking. So this is something you should consider doing, especially when it comes to natural hair. You should always work in sections, and this is something I do even when I'm washing my hair. To let you know that most parts of this video I was talking, but the audio was not clear enough for you guys to hear. So what I did, I just decided to reduce the volume and voice over instead. So the next thing is I'm going to use a spray bottle to spray some water into my hair just to get that moisture. I'm going to go ahead and use some Cantu leave-in conditioner. Now just put some in the front of my hair and the back. To go back and spray in some water on my hair. Using a detangling brush, I'm going to comb my hair upwards, since I'm going to make an afro puff. To go ahead and tie my hair using this elastic tie my hair in an Afro bun. So I'll do that starting from the back, then I bring it to the front, then I adjust the hair depending on how tight I want it to be. I also want to mention that you can do your own hair regarding this style. This style is for people who want something quick yet easy. Style can be done in under 30 minutes since it's a quick. So I saw this hack where you use a second elastic band to tie your hair. This will make your hair be raised a bit higher. Bit of eco gel, then I just swipe through them with a brush. I need to use this scarf to tie my hair. After that, when I'm done with the makeup, I'm going to take it off.
A few moments later.
That's it for our final look today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. See you in our next video.